Welcome back, viewers. We got this taped up and ready to caulk. Went around the whole thing, which is very difficult because I think this wall surround has a very unique design to try and get radiused tape into that area. But I just used a round container, laid tape across the top, and then took my knife and cut it there, and then physically walked the piece of tape in there and put it on there. Worked kind of nicely, so that's a good thing. So what we need for this is, because this is, let's go over the caulk here. So this is a silicone caulk, so it's not paintable. So I wouldn't use it here, but I would use it in the seams of the wall. We bought this latex-based caulk to do the seams, or the edges. We're not going to do that today because obviously we now have to fix our wall, still sand and prime that before we could put that on. But that'll go all around the tub. So this didn't really work very well for getting the caulk out. However, I kind of like this nifty attachment they have on here, and uniquely enough, that all you have to do is take it off like that and turn it around and snap it back on, and you can get a different bead width, which is great considering I have various ones in there. So we're going to get started. We'll be back. Now remember what I told you about the caulk gun. I decided to cut a small tip using this spout cutter, and of course we have the mechanism here that you put down the tube to penetrate the seal that's in there. Now we're going to start with the bottom and then work our way up, because I think that it would be better to blend the top into the bottom as opposed to the other way around. We'll be back. And after you get done applying the caulk, just simply pull the tape off before the caulking has time to dry. Now the key here to pulling the tape off is to make sure you pull it away from the caulked area, like this. Okay, and there we have it, a completed caulk job, all cleaned up and sealed properly. I think I'm also going to add a picture of the installation instructions for this tub and shower unit, because as I had thought, this thing was supposed to be caulked or sealed at the time of installation. It was not. I think water ran down there behind the sealant that was put on the base, and again there was missing sealant there, there was missing sealant over here. It just traveled its way down over to the edge of the tub, ran out, which tells me maybe the tub is slightly out of level, meaning it's leaning this way towards the front. So hopefully this was a good experience for you. It was for me. We're going to move on to setting up for the workbench we need for building new doors. So I'll catch you later, and thank you for watching.